Welcome to the garage, and to 2026. Step inside, and you'll notice that the world of cars has changed more in the last few years than in the previous few decades. The vehicles sitting in our driveways are no longer just machines, they're intelligent companions, seamlessly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Electric cars are no longer futuristic, they're everywhere. From city streets to suburban neighborhoods, these vehicles have become a common sight, quietly transforming the way we move and live. The cars we drive today are the smartest gadgets we own. With touchscreens, voice controls, and AI-driven features, they're more like rolling computers than traditional automobiles. Forget your phone. The real magic is in your driveway. Your car now connects to your home, your devices, and even your calendar, making life smoother before you even step inside. These cars think, learn, and make driving a joy. They anticipate your needs, remember your preferences, and even help you relax on your commute. Your car knows your schedule, warms up before you step outside, and plans your route to avoid traffic. It can even remind you of appointments or suggest the best time to leave. It's more like a personal assistant than just transportation. With a simple voice command, you can adjust the temperature, play your favorite music, or get updates on your day. We used to brag about horsepower. Now it's all about processing power and software updates. The real performance is measured in how smart and adaptable your car can be. Overnight updates mean you wake up to a better car, new features, better range, even games. Your vehicle evolves while you sleep, always getting smarter and more capable. The shift to electric is about reimagining what a car can do for you. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about enjoying the journey with technology that adapts to your lifestyle. It's about intelligence, connectivity, and personalization. Your car knows who you are, what you like, and how to make every drive uniquely yours. Your car is now a partner in your daily life. It helps you stay organized, keeps you entertained, and even looks out for your safety with advanced sensors and alerts. So buckle up, we're taking a tour of the automotive world in 2026. Get ready to see how technology is redefining what it means to drive. We'll peek under the hood, or where it used to be, and see the tech making this possible. From powerful batteries to advanced sensors, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. These cars are smarter, faster, cleaner, and more fun than ever. They're designed for efficiency, comfort, and a driving experience that's truly next level. This isn't science fiction, it's our reality. The future of driving has arrived, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. The future we were promised is finally here, and it's parked right outside. Every morning, you step into a world of innovation and possibility. Let's see why this is the most exciting time to be a driver. Ready? Let's go. Your smartest gadget is waiting to take you on the ride of your life. Let's talk about the real game changer, batteries. For decades, batteries were the bottleneck holding back electric vehicles, but now, they're leading the charge into a new era of transportation. Solid-state batteries are finally here, and they're a giant leap forward. They use cutting-edge materials that make them safer, more reliable, and far more efficient than anything we've seen before. Lighter, safer, and packing more energy, they give us real-world ranges of 500–600 miles. That means you can drive from city to city or even across states without worrying about your next charge. Range anxiety? Gone. Just get in and drive. The freedom to travel wherever you want, whenever you want, is finally here for electric vehicles. These batteries deliver instant power, making acceleration mind-blowing. Electric cars now rival, and often surpass, the performance of traditional sports cars. Press the pedal, boom, you're gone. The response is immediate, smooth, and exhilarating, turning every drive into an experience. They're durable too, built to last the life of the car. Maintenance is minimal, and the days of frequent battery replacements are over. This breakthrough makes EVs practical for long trips and daily commutes alike. Whether you're heading out on a weekend adventure or just getting to work, these batteries have you covered. The battery is no longer a compromise, it's the star of the show. It's the reason people are excited about electric cars, and it's what sets them apart from anything that's come before. It's what makes EVs exciting, practical, and a true replacement for gas cars. Families, commuters, and enthusiasts all benefit from this leap in technology. Overnight, the foundation of driving changed. Cities are transforming, and highways are filling with electric vehicles as more people make the switch. Now, the hardware is finally as ambitious as we are. Engineers and designers are pushing boundaries, creating vehicles that are smarter, cleaner, and more connected than ever. The magic of electric driving starts here. It's quiet, smooth, and surprisingly fun, changing the way we think about getting from point A to point B. And it's only getting better. Every year, new models and innovations push the limits of what's possible, making electric vehicles more accessible to everyone. The future of batteries is bright, and so is the future of driving. We're witnessing the dawn of a new age in mobility, powered by innovation and imagination. This is the heart of the electric revolution. The technology inside these batteries is what's making the impossible possible. Let's see what else these batteries make possible. Onward. One of the best parts of electric cars, it's what's missing. No more exhaust fumes, no more engine rumble, no more tailpipes. The air behind you stays as clean as the air in front of you. It's a small change that makes a huge difference, not just for drivers, but for everyone who shares the road and breathes the air. Driving an EV in 2026 is clean and quiet. The world outside your window feels calmer, more peaceful, and somehow more modern. You glide through neighborhoods, no noise, no pollution. The gentle hum of the tires is all you hear, blending into the background of daily life. The air is cleaner, the streets are quieter, and our cities are better places to live. Children play outside, neighbors chat, and the city feels more alive, yet more serene. Even for car lovers, the silence is golden. You hear your music, not your engine. Every note, every lyric, every laugh inside the cabin is crystal clear. But quiet doesn't mean boring. The experience is still engaging, just in a new way. Electric cars deliver instant torque and thrilling acceleration. Step on the pedal, and you're off. No waiting, no hesitation. It's a rush that gas cars can't match, without the noise or drama. The power is immediate, and the ride is smooth. EVs are smooth and composed, but ready to pounce at a moment's notice. Whether you're merging onto the highway or taking a winding road, the response is effortless. Maintenance is simpler too. No oil changes, no greasy engine bays. The days of worrying about spark plugs, timing belts, or exhaust repairs are over. Just tires and washer fluid mostly. It's car ownership, simplified. Less time at the mechanic, more time enjoying the drive. More weekends free, more road trips, more memories. The combination of performance, silence, and simplicity is irresistible. Zero emissions, zero hassle. It's a new standard for what a car can be. The electric car isn't a compromise, it's an upgrade. It's a smarter, cleaner, and more exciting way to move. Cleaner, quieter, and more fun. That's the revolution, and it's here now. The future of driving has arrived. Let's keep moving forward, together. Charging used to be a worry. Not anymore. Ultra-fast chargers, 350 to 500 kilowatts, are everywhere. Add 200 miles of range in 10 minutes. Grab a coffee, and you're ready to go. Long road trips? Easier than ever. Plug-in charge tech means no cards, no apps. Just plug in, and it bills you automatically. It's actually easier than paying for gas. Charging is seamless, reliable, and everywhere you need it. Major highways are lined with ultra-fast charging stations. The anxiety of finding a charger is gone. Now, you drive with confidence. Anywhere. Anytime. Charging is no longer a hurdle. It's just part of the journey. Let's see how charging fits into daily life.